Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to create a tutorial by adding tables, pictures, shapes, and graphs or charts. Let's get started. First, click the word application. Then, in the user interface, click the blank document. To create a table, go to the Insert tab, click Table, then select how many rows and columns you want. Insert your data into the table cells. Tables help organize information clearly. Next, for the picture, go to File and click New Document. You can insert a picture by clicking Pictures on the Insert tab. Then, choosing an image from your files. Click Insert. Then pictures make your documents visually appealing. After that, for the shapes, again, go to File and click New Document. Add shapes like arrows or circles by choosing shapes in the Insert tab. Shapes help highlight or decorate important parts of your document. Finally, to add a graph or chart, click Chart under Insert. Choose the best chart type for your data. Then fill in the data in the Excel window that pops up. Close it and your chart is ready. Charts visually explain numbers and trends, making your information easier to understand. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in my next videos!